I'm going to show you my trick for tying on threads and pulling them through the serger and using the right knot so it doesn't come loose halfway through. Now I know on the BERNINA L890, the air threading system on this machine is wonderful, but there are times where I'm tying on decorative threads and maybe changing up the whole allotment that I can just come back to the cones back here and clip quickly, clip, 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 tie it on, and then just pull them through. And again, when you're doing a decorative thread, you're going to want to pull that knot through because the air doesn't always get the thick, chunky decorative threads you're putting through your loopers all the way through the tubes that are blowing the air. So this is something that you need to know. I will tell you, usually for me, I am going to just let the machine blow a regular spool of thread, the traditional weight of thread through the machine because that's just as fast. So the knot that I use all the time, and it tends to work, and so keep in mind, the knots will go through the loopers, but they won't go through your needle eye. So if I do put, like I'm going to tie the purple thread onto my needle thread. So just because that's the one that's closest to me, I'm going to just use that right now. Notice I clipped closer to the cone, not the housing, because if you clip back here, I've got all this extra thread that I can actually kind of bring towards me and tie without trying to be really close to this. So what I do is I put both the ends together in my hand, and then I think of tying a balloon knot. So both ends are together and just a quick, it's called an overhand knot, and done. That knot is going to be secure enough. When you lift up the presser foot, you're going to notice all the tensions get a lot looser. So if I was going to just pull this through, I can just take the thread out of the needle and pull the knot right on down through, and then use the needle threader that comes with the machine to thread the needle. That's how fast and easy it is. So if you've gone ahead and tied all your pieces on, you can get a hold of all the little chain, kind of pull it out, clip it, and then just pull each individual thread through, done. Everything is going to stay connected, and you won't have a knot that actually undoes itself accidentally, and then you have to kind of start over, put a new thread in, tie onto that, pull it through. So those are things that are very, very handy. Now, if you are admiring the quilts in the background here, that is part of our Embroidery Essentials online course. So if you have an embroidery machine, you have a beautiful serger, but if you have an embroidery machine that you've neglected lately, maybe the embroidery module has a little dust on it, and you want to dust it off. You're learning so much online with our videos. Join us at the Embroidery Essentials course. It will help you master your embroidery machine, take you from zero to hero super fast. Those links are down below, and you can join us. Usually there's a discount for that course, so you can jump in at any time. Plus, remember, we've got our Craftsy classes, the Craftsy Serger classes that are more project-oriented. Those links are in the description below, so you can really master this machine and start using it just beyond just like learning the stitches like what we're showing. Now you can take these stitches and apply them to other projects, and before you know it, you're going to be using your serger more than you thought you have. So I hope you've been enjoying these videos. Give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and then you can stay up to date on all our latest videos that we post.